Hi, welcome to this short video on Excel's new chart type called Maps. Intelligent app capabilities are introduced in Excel and other Office 365 apps so that the teachers and students can focus on the topics and the modules and the subject they are learning. My teacher has just sent me this data table with population and GDP numbers of the country. Some of these countries I actually don't even know where they exist. So Excel map chart capability can quickly plot this for me, the geoposition locations of these countries, which are in the list, with the color scale of the current uh, data which is selected, and that is the percentage of world population. Now, looking through this data and moving it, I can see that the most populous countries are actually China and India, with Russia, US, Brazil following up. And the most producing countries in the world are United States and China, followed by France, Scandinavian country, Russia, India, Australia, Brazil, and Mexico. So yeah, that's a good learning. I can double click on this map to really look at different options, different cartographic projections, scope of the map to show. I can also select a more wider scale. So let me make the lowest numbers as green, the middle one as yellow, and the higher one as red. Okay, so now I do see Namibia, which I did not hear for before. It's somewhere here lying in Africa, and it's producing GDP that's on the lower side out of this list. So I also want to learn about my own country, Sri Lanka, and I do know there are um, states that have quite a generic name. So there is a Western, there is Central, there is Southern, and there is also a Northwestern, right? I roughly know the population, say about 5 million, 3 million, and these two are about the same. So let's take a look here. These are my states, and this is a population in millions. But these are very generic names, so I can disambiguate them by just putting the country name, which is Sri Lanka, Lanka, and then I can just pull this down to copy it here. Now, Excel chart capability can quickly take this data, plot it, and show me and give me an idea. There you go. It shows me that I got these states right, which these states are, and there are some other states also. Now, I do remember there is one called Sabara Gamua. Yes, and there is also Yuva, um, Eastern. Now the map, looking at the map, it does, guide me towards it, northern, and there is north central. Now probably that's the nine states which are there. I copy it down. Very roughly, I do have an idea. This is 2.25. UY is also 2.25. Eastern is about 1.5. And northern maybe 1. Central is 2.2. Right. So clicking on the map again, I can just very easily extend this. And there you go. It shows these states all there. I can double click on the map to get a better idea of the range. So let's select three color range. Let's look at same color scheme. Middle is yellow, and the highest one, let's call it red. So the most popular state is Western, then followed by a little bit more, uh, less, more towards yellow, which is the central, and the least populated are of the eastern and the northern side. Now, this quickly helps me to advance my knowledge and know more about my country. I can make my assignment look much better. I can go ahead and use the various features of Excel to make it nicer, I probably want to give it category names as well. So now this look like very professional, and I'm smiling to myself. This is definitely going to fetch me good grades. Thank you for watching this short video and have fun with this new chart type called maps in Excel.